we're going to run a promotion, and this is going to be a drawing. You're going to be qualified for each new member that you enroll this month. For anyone who enrolls just one new member in the month of December, you're going to go into a drawing for a chance to win $10,000. Enroll just one person. You're going to get paid on that person. It could be a member and an affiliate or just a member. Member, $10. Member and an affiliate, $49.95. You're going to make $25. On a member, you make $10. You make $5 of it right back. Not a hard thing to do. Sign up one, have a chance to win $10,000. Sign up two or more. Every additional person, anyone over one, goes into a different drawing to win $50,000. $50,000. The more people you enroll, the more entries you get into that drawing. Everyone needs to enroll at least two people this month. One to get into the $10,000 pool, not pool, but drawing. One to get into the $50,000 drawing. You're going to be in both. And everyone else needs to enroll at least two. You enroll 20, you got one in the $10,000 pool, you got drawing, you got 19 in the $50,000 drawing. Now, here's what happens when you do promotions. Everyone waits till the last couple days or the last day to hit it, right? So instead of waiting till December 30th, December 31st for everyone to get their members, and then we have 100,000 people come in one day, we're going to incentivize you guys even more because we want to do it in the first year, December 13th. Anyone who enrolls those people on or before December 13th, we're going to double your entries into the drawings. So you enroll one person before December 13th, you've got two entries into the $10,000 drawing. You enroll any more than that, and you've got double those extra entries into the $50,000 drawing. So if you enroll 5 people between now and December 13th, you get 2 entries into the $10,000 drawing, and then you had 4 more people times 2, so you got 8 entries into the $50,000 drawing. And you still have the rest of the month to get more entries, more members, more chances to win. We're going to do the drawing live on our Friday Zoom on, I believe it's January 5th. And the winners will be paid out that following payday, the next Thursday. I think it's the 11th or 12th or something of January. So, but on top of that, this is cool because, and I'm excited about the December 13th thing because I really want to make a push to get us. So, okay, so here's where we are right now. We're at 880,000 members right now. We put in just over 70,000 in November. So I expect those numbers to continue. I expect to put in 70 or 80,000 without a promotion this month, which leaves us about 50,000 members, 40 to 50,000 more members that we need to push. That's not a lot. I mean, if everyone just gets 1 or 2 extra this month, boom, we will blow right by that. And I fully expect to do that. And I want to do that so bad. We get 1 million members in a year, guys. That has never been done before in the history of the industry. That story, that achievement, that accomplishment, that team effort that we all put in will be never, ever matched in the history of this industry. And it's just the beginning. So again, so anyway, let's make it happen. December 13th, get your 2. I think we could do it by then. We need 120,000 new members by December 13th. I think we could do it. I believe in you guys. I know we can make it happen. And hopefully that's an exciting promotion out there, a little extra reason to go out there. And new people can do the same thing. If they enroll in December, they can qualify as well. So go out there, sign up 20 people. Tell them, hey, you can win $50,000 this month. Just enroll a couple people and boom, you're in the drawing. So,
wow.
All right. On top of that, we're going to be pushing products very hard this month because of the New Year's resolutions, because you guys need these products, because the world is as unhealthy as it's ever been, and because people need to get healthier, to fix their wellness, to fix everything. And let's make it happen. All right. That's all I got. Nader, what do you got?
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to, this is, if you've been with us for a while, you realize that our margin on these products are very little. Lisa and Ryan use the most expensive ingredients on earth. Our greens cost us between 10 and 12, and we sell it to you guys a little bit over cost. So this money's, guess where it's coming from? You know, this man came out of retirement. I know him since he was, sorry, bro, a boy. And look, he comes out of retirement to do this. I don't want to say we owe it to him, but we kind of owe it to him. For him to come out of retirement with amazing kids, awesome life that all these networkers dreamt about. He comes out of it to fix the broken industry that he loves. Bless us beyond measure. Go get 2 people. Let me get this straight, man. So if I sign up Bob for $9.95, you telling me I go in that pool? Just a member?
Yes.
Boom!
$10,000 pool. So Bob and Barry, you go in both pools.
Boom! So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to a lot of people in developing countries. How many of you on the Zooms that you bless and invite me with has been asking for exactly this? Something in those regions where people say, oh my gosh, I get this. Ladies and gentlemen, you see the bronze numbers. I got to say one quick thing. Most of the panelists here are parents. It's like having your kids going out there and doing amazing things on their own without you forcing them, without you incentivizing them, when we have so many people hit bronze. That's why Ben and I are so excited about this. Because in this industry, companies force people, go get 2, go get 5, go order products, do this. And people quit in 2.8 months. Here, we have no requirements. Live good. That's it. Love. And what do people do? They get on these products, they order a product, they're like, oh my gosh, I just saved $60. I'm going to tell my friends. And they all come with 100% money back guarantee. I'm not selling. I'm just letting you know you can go out there today and sign up 2 people at even a member, and you enter these polls. But here's the important thing for the people on this call. You want to bless them. Go get everyone you know today. That's why it's called Fire Starter Friday. So you give your new people an opportunity to get a few drawing points into the promotion. I'm so excited. By December 13th, I'm just going to shut up, and I want to thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we owe it to this guy. Go get 2 people between now and Monday. Forget the 13th. By Monday. Back to you, man. Wow. Wow.
You guys don't owe me anything. Don't do it for me. Do it for us. Do it for the company. Do it for the world. Do it for the mission. Let's go out there and change the world together. This is just the beginning. This is just step 1, guys. Let's knock out the million and go out there and turn it into 5 million next year. This is the start. But yeah, I love that Nader mentioned products. I love that Lisa talks about products so much, because this is probably the only promotion that we're going to do that has to do with members and has nothing to do with products, because everything else is going to be focused on products, because you guys need to get these products out there into people's bodies. So take advantage. Let's rock. Let's crush the next 2 weeks. Let's crush the rest of the year. Let's crush 2024. Let's start it off fast and strong with New Year's resolutions. And again, change the health, change the world, and make things better with love. Let's rock.
Amen.
All right.